If you're looking for a new or upgraded water pump, especially for an LS, then check out these brand new CoolMax ones from Proflow. The CoolMax range of water pumps are designed to bolt on in the factory position but give you more flow and better cooling for your money. There's a huge variety to choose from. We've got the LS here, which is obviously a very important upgrade, small block Ford and small block Chevy, plus a few more to choose from as well. The pumps themselves are aluminium with CNC-machined housings. The housings have special one-way internal passages that flow more coolant at higher velocities, even at low engine speeds. They also have anti-cavitation impellers and heavy-duty roller bearings to deal with higher torsional loads. You'll also note the hubs, which are billet steel, and the fittings, which are CNC'd brass. Options for your pump include either this raw finish here or a nice gloss black as well. So to find one to fit your engine, head to proflow.com.au.